Well, hello everybody. Today on the Camp Chef Flat Top, I'm going to be doing a request that I've been getting over and over here at home, and that is for a Philly cheesesteak. So I went ahead today and picked up 2 pounds of prime ribeye. I'm going to go ahead and separate the muscles and trim out most of the fat, lay it out on a plate and put it in the freezer so I can go ahead and get it sliced nice and thin. Alright, let's go ahead and get this piece of prime rib split up into nice pieces, so to speak. So when it comes time to trimming that fat out and also slicing it nice and thin, it'll be also lean. And I'll put it in the freezer and let it freeze up for probably about 2 hours. I just don't want a lot of this stuff in my sandwich, obviously, although it is prime, so I'm going to save some of it. Alright, I'm going to take this gristly seam off there too. Just get my knife right up underneath there. As I'm pushing it in there, I'm pushing it up. I could feel it hitting the back side of that silver skin. And now I'm just pushing the knife kind of gently up as I go across. So now I'm also doing the same thing, pushing the knife up. I do need to sharpen my knife. A little more of that fat out of there. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put all these pieces in the freezer for the next couple hours so I can get them sliced nice and thin. So there we go. That was 2 pounds I started with, so you can see I got quite a bit of waste. But now we got nothing but the good stuff. Well, here the meat is after it had a chance to freeze in the freezer for a couple hours. Not sure how I'm going to really cut it. I did separate that piece of ribeye, that bigger piece. I cut down the center. So making sure, of course, I cut across the grain. I'll start with some of this easier stuff. Alright, this stuff's going to be so tender. The way it is, it'll be just fine. Well, let's get these cheesesteaks going. I got everything out here in the cook shack. Got my nice prime ribeye sliced up fairly thin. I do have the deep fryer preheated on at 375. And of course I do have the grill turned on. The right side's off. Next one's on low. This one's between low and medium. And this one's on medium. So the left side will be my hot side. You can see it's starting to smoke now. Here's my prime ribeye. Sliced thin. I did save a little beef fat there that I can help facilitate frying up the beef. Here's my buns, pickles, provolone cheese, a bowl for my steak fries when they're done. I'm going to season them with Lowry's, salt and pepper, and of course Chicago steak seasoning. There are also the onions that I'll be grilling up, and butter for that. We're all ready to go. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and start with the onions. Just put a little bit of canola oil down across the whole thing. And then the beef fat. That down. Oh, the butter is plenty cold. Maybe let's suck its fat. Yeah, I'm not going to cook my onions down to nothing. I'm going to want some snap to them. And I guess the fries only take 3 to 6 minutes at 375, so this will be pretty much real time. Give things a chance to cook. Sip of your favorite beverage. And enjoy the outdoor cooking. I'm going to go ahead and lay my buns down. We'll go ahead and get the meat down. Get these guys out of the way, I guess, like I did last. Alright, let's go ahead. Go ahead and turn this burner back up to medium. Onions are almost to the consistency I want them. They'll cook a little bit longer as they sit here. Go ahead and season up the beef. Salt, pepper, and then some Chicago steak seasoning. Take a look at these, looking nice. I'm going to go ahead and drop the fries. There we go, got some nice color on it. A little more Chicago. Salt on your onions. Also pepper. Fries a nice little shake. Give me a little taste. Delicious. A little more Chicago. Fries are doing great. Let's go ahead and get these kind of in a sandwich portions, I guess. Turn that left side down to low. I'm away with the onions until I put it all together. Cover that guy there. Fries are almost done. Buns are looking nice. I'm going to go ahead and take this extra beef off. There are those guys. I think we're calling it quits, shutting it all off. Doing. There you go. Plate these guys up. Fries are done. Shut the fryer off. Oh, get back in there. Make sure you hit them with your seasoning right away. I think I should have made a few more fries. There we go. Philly cheesesteak sandwiches on a Camp Chef flat top, along with some nice steak fries. We're going to go ahead and eat. I'm pretty hungry. If you want to learn more information on Camp Chef, just go ahead and click on the link in the description. Since you're clicking on stuff, you might as well click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, making sure you don't miss out on any new videos. And as always, thanks for watching.